does that? You squeeze it from the bottom up, right? How did you get this scar? Well, ain't gonna lose no sleep over what people say. Just let me live my life. You ain't give me my life. Nah, you can't tell. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. Today I'm going to do a very quick video, and it's going to be a getting to know me video so that you guys can know me a little bit more before I start flooding YouTube with some videos. Yeah. So, before I go into the question, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. So the first question is, what is your full name? My full name is Vanessa Latoya Palmer. And yes, I don't know what my parents was thinking when they gave me two child names. Like Vanessa Latoya, how am I going to grow into them? Like, could you name me like Marcia or something like that? Anyway, I get used to them now. So, and guess what? I'm forever 21, so I'm always young. So yeah. The next question is, where are you from? Me come from Jamaica. Yes, me a yard girl. Born and grow here, I mean, nah left here. Nah sell up my country for no other country. So yeah, if you have never been to Jamaica, you guys are missing out something and you guys need to come on over. So yeah, if you want to come to Jamaica, you don't want a place to stay, hit your girl up. I'll hook you up. Next question is, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue, and I do like a touch of purple. The next question is, how many siblings do you have? I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters. Yeah, and they're all living in England. The next question is, are you in university? Yes, I am currently in university. I'm pursuing a degree in business management. The next question is, do you have any habits? Well, do I have any habits? I know I used to fidget a lot and I used to hit my teeth a lot, but no, I don't know. We all have habits, right? But I don't know. Like, my friends would have to tell you that. So friends, if you're watching, tell me what's my habit. I don't know what is my habit or my habits. Tell me, hit me down in the comments down below so I can know, because I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, the next question is, what was your dream job as a child? Like, most of us, when growing up, all we wanted to be was a lawyer, doctor, teacher, right? Well, I wanted to be a lawyer. I don't know what got into me then, but yeah, I wanted to be a lawyer. But then reality hit me. I don't like to study. I just study because I have to, right? And lawyer is like another level of studying. So, yeah. Lawyer is not for me, and I'm more like a technical person. I like hands-on stuff. Like, no, I don't like those stuff. Yeah. My next question is, what is your pet peeve? Like, if you guys know me, you know that you squeeze the toothpaste from the bottom up, right? Squeeze the toothpaste from the bottom up. Don't squeeze it in the middle. Don't bend it. Like who does that? You squeeze it from the bottom up, right? Yes, I hate it. It irritates me when persons squeeze in the middle, or like really? Really? The next question is, have you ever been to another country? Yes, I've been to 2. I've been to England and I've been to USA. Yes, I've been to USA.
been to USA twice. I've been to England once. Well, I used to live there. What is your most memorable vacation? I've never been on a vacation before. Nope. Wow. My life is sad, right? I've never been on a vacation before. Yes, I went to England, but I went there to live. And I went to school. I went to America, but I worked. I've never been on a vacation before. Wow. But it's never too late, right? Yeah, never too late. I'll be going on some soon. And you guys will see when I'll be vlogging, right? The next question is, would you rather a British accent or a American accent? For one, American don't have an accent, do they? No. Two, British accent is just so sexy, mate. Like, who wouldn't want a British accent? Like, I know I do. Like, I used to have a little. Yeah, I used to have a little, but now it's all gone. Yeah, but yeah, I would rather a British accent. The next question is, have you ever been to the hospital? Well, not for me. I've never been admitted. I've never been rushed to a hospital. Yes, I was born in one. That's pretty much it. But no, I never been to the hospital for me. But I've visited person and I've went with person, and I don't like it. It's very sad. It's very emotional. Like, I don't like it. I cry. Like, don't ask me to come to the hospital with you. I'll cry and you will feel bad. Don't do that. If you want to feel good about yourself, don't bring me. And my last question is, how did you get this scar? Well, well, it's a long story, but let's cut it short. My mom and my uncle was fighting around the back, and I was small. I was like around 6 year old or 5 year old, something like that. And then the time we did fast. Yes, we did fast bad. And me hear stoner fling. Me hear them a cuss. And me go people in the corner. And when me people in the corner, I want big stone that connect me. Yes, give me some stitches. Oh yeah, I'm going to the hospital, but I don't remember that. I don't remember that. But me did little. Yeah, me got hospital for this. I remember that. But yeah, scar me for life. But that night him have to sleep with a door upon the house top. So yeah. That's it, guys. That's a little bit about me. If you want to know more about me, just hit me in the comments down below. You know. So thank you guys for tuning in to my world. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all your support. You know, please continue to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel before. So guys, thank you again. Love you guys. Bye.